Hello, travel lovers. This week, I am exploring Apriltsi, a beautiful mountain village in the heart of Bulgaria. Here, I visited the Sanya resort-style pool, and it honestly surprised me with how beautiful it is. The whole place feels like a mini mountain getaway. Stunning Balkan mountain views all around, and a sparkling pool warmed by solar panels, so the water is perfect for swimming. The entrance is really affordable. €6 for pool access, or €12 if you want a lounge chair and umbrella. I spent the afternoon enjoying the pool and relaxing at the poolside bar, and the atmosphere was amazing. If you're planning a summer escape, you can even book your stay at the Sanya resort-style hotel and enjoy this beautiful property for your whole vacation. And don't forget to subscribe to Margie Travel Gems. I answer every comment, help with your travel plans, and give prompt feedback for all destinations featured on my channel.